Hello everyone and welcome back to TechNuovo. My name's Steph and Nick and I have just come back from the Samsung unveiling event here at CES 2020. Samsung have just announced their latest TV at an unveiling at CES 2020 and we were fortunate to be there to see it happen. But what did they announce? Well, the Q950TS. It's a brand new TV packed full of features and looking absolutely stunning. So why don't you sit back and relax while we run you through what was announced. Before we get too deep into the conversation, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We appreciate your support and it helps us out big time. At the heart of the Q950TS is a brand new chip. They're calling it the Quantum AI chip and it brings a whole array of new features to the TV. The first is AI upscaling with deep learning technology which restores lower quality video to 8K resolutions with 33 million pixels. It was mentioned that the content it's upscaling from could be any quality, which is hard to believe, but time will tell how effective that actually is going to be. I think it's going to be a real struggle to convert some older 720p content. Next was adaptive picture technology, which is meant to offer up the perfect picture without going through any adjustments in the settings via automatic changes of brightness and contrast of the screen, even in daylight or bright room conditions. AI ScaleNet, which caught my eye, is a streaming technology developed by Samsung that enables real-time 8K viewing on Samsung's QLED TVs without image quality deterioration, even without upgrading your existing internet network. It's unclear exactly what this means, but it must be some form of pre-download online cache system of sorts. On the Q950TS plus any new TV from Samsung's 2020 range will be compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easier than ever to control your TV, content and or home with your voice. A dual screen arrangement named Mobile View which allows you to easily transport your smartphone display onto the TV alongside your TV content. Now what else was there? The specs, of course. It's an 8K OLED TV, it comes in various different sizes, it's just 15mm deep which is crazy and can sit completely flat against your wall, and the bezel, it's basically non-existent and truly beautiful. The TV offers a 5.1 virtual surround sound solution thanks to an array of speakers to the rear, and if you connect the TV up with a compatible soundbar, the audio will not only come out of the soundbar but the TV as well, helping improve the overall quality. Now they're calling this Q Symphony. A digital butler will also become available which connects your TV with various other Samsung appliances such as your fridge freezer, and it allows them all to communicate with each other to help improve or increase your smart home capabilities. Now the last thing that was announced is Samsung TV Plus, which has been mentioned previously, but this is their solution for instant access to news, sports, entertainment and more. There's no download, additional devices or credit card needed either. They're also starting to create their own content and already have 2 shows in the pipeline. One interesting product I wanted to mention that caught my eye from Samsung's new TV lineup was the Zero, a vertical monstrosity created to aid mobile phone content on the big screen. It's designed to be viewed at a vertical aspect ratio, but it can rotate 90 degrees to the standard horizontal 16:9 ratio that we all know and love. It felt a little gimmicky if I'm going to be honest with you, and something that only budding mobile content creators will probably be interested in. According to Samsung though, 4 in 10 mobile users now view content on their mobiles exclusively in a vertical aspect ratio, so there is some weight to their new TV, but I just can't see this being a hot product this year. So thank you very much for checking out our update of the Samsung unveiling event at CES 2020. If you enjoyed this video then do click that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with all of our latest tech and gaming videos and also all of our CES 2020 content, and leave a comment down below letting us know what you think of these announcements coming out of CES 2020. We would love to hear what you think, and we will see you in the next video.